This is a quick lesson on classifying triangles. So we're going to be classifying different types of triangles based on their sides and angles. The first one we're going to look at is scalene triangles. These are triangles that have three sides that are all different lengths. So if I draw a triangle, all three sides are different lengths. So an example would be this one having 8, 7, and 10. They're all different. The next one is an isosceles triangle, and that's where two of the sides are congruent. So I have a triangle that looks like this. I know that this side and this side are congruent, and this one is not. So that would be like saying a triangle like this, where I have 10, 10, and 12. So two of those sides are congruent. The next one is an equilateral triangle, and equilateral triangles have all three sides congruent. So that would be like saying all three sides might measure 17. All three sides are the same. Acute triangles are triangles where all three angles are less than 90 degrees. So that would be like saying I've got 75, 25, and 80. And that's not to scale because obviously a 25-degree angle will be smaller than that, but just to show. And they still have to add up to 180. So 75, 25, 80 is still going to end up being 180 degrees, but all three of those angles are less than 90. An obtuse triangle is a triangle in which one angle is greater than 90. So that would be like saying having a 110-degree angle, a 35 and a 35. Those still add up to be 180, but only one angle is greater than 90 degrees. And it's important to mention that in a triangle, it's only possible to have one angle be greater than 90 degrees. A right triangle has one angle that is equal to 90 degrees, and that will be indicated by the box. And then we have an equiangular triangle, and that's when all of the angles are congruent. In a triangle. And since all the angles in a triangle have to add up to be 180, the only way to have an equiangular triangle is if they all measure 60 degrees, because 180 divided by 3 is 60.